Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some flushable wipes. So let's go ahead and open this bag up here. I don't have the sharpest of knives, but we're gonna get this out and show you guys what they are. Okay, so here's the box of them. And it looks like we peel it open on the top here. It's funny, it was wrapped end that way. And then in here we have little packages, little mini packages of wipes. How cool is that? So looks like it's going to be little resealable ones here. You just open it up. Does it say how many are in each one? It just says easy pull for flushing, freshness in your pocket. Okay, so you open it up there. Look at that, and then you can just grab one out of here. It looks like there's about 10 or so in there. But let's grab one, and I'll show you all what it is here. It's pretty good. It's nicely made, and it's got some good thickness to it. I don't know if you guys can tell. You can't see through it or anything, so it's good. But it's got a little bit of dampness. It's not super damp. If I squeeze it, I can get a couple of drips out of it, but not much. So it's got some wetness to it, but it's not sopping wet. So it's good. It's like a perfect wipe. I don't think there's any scent to it, so that's it. So this will be good for just cleaning your hands or cleaning your bottoms or whatever you need to do. So nice to have these around, especially if you're going to an airport or someplace like that. You can use it to clean the seat, clean yourself after you're done. So don't ever worry about running out of toilet paper if you've got some of these. Thumbs up, very good.